Hi guys, this is Sohel, and today I'll be solving the problem by maximum stocks if I stocks can be brought on IFD. Okay, so what the program basically states is we should buy the maximum number of stocks present, okay, such that it doesn't exceed the given amount. Let's take an example. Like the value of k is given 45. That means the money or the cost which we can invest is 45. Okay, so we have to invest something or buy stocks with the money which is within 45. That means lesser equals 45, not greater than that. Okay, so as you can see here, what we have done is on the first day we bought one stock, okay, of rupees 10. That means 35 rupees is remaining. On the second day we are buying two stocks. Okay, so 7 into 2 is 14. So 35 minus 14 is 21. Okay, that means 21 rupees is left, and with 19 we can buy only one stock. So we will be buying one stock. Okay, so in total we are buying 1 plus 2 plus 1. That means 4 stocks. Okay. So now the main question is how will we find out like how many stocks we have to find on a particular day. Okay, so what are we going to do is see, we are going to sort them. Only sorting the values won't help because we need to like keep a track of the number of days. For example, if we are sorting this, 7 is coming first, okay, but 7 is the like second day. So how will we understand that? So what will we do is basically giving a representation here. We will be taking a list inside and there will be tuples. So for example here it will be 7 1. Okay, it will be 7 1, and the next one was 10. Sorry, this one will be 7 2. Okay, and this will be 7 1. So what will we do is we will check the like index value, and we will add +1 and store it. So here we will be keeping the track of the days. So this one was the first day, this one was the second day, and the next one will be the third day. So we'll be doing in this process. Okay, now let's do this first. So we'll be storing this in an array, let's say ARR. Okay, it's given in the price array. So let's take your prices, price I comma I plus 1. All right, and for I in range this will be till n values. Okay, so the loop will be running till the n values. Now what will we do is see, the next step is we will be sorting it. Okay, so I'm showing you how it will look. uh, I'm just showing you with like, let's return a random value so that we don't get an error, and see, we will be getting something like this. Okay, so we will be getting something like this, like the first values, like the zeroth index of the tuples will get sorted. So we will be getting the lowest price till the highest price. Fine, like we have got what we wanted. Now what will we do is see, with the lowest price we will be buying the stocks in the maximum basis. For example, you need to buy the maximum stocks, right? So the thing is that if the price is minimum you will try to buy it max, and if the price is minimum you will try to buy it minimum. So what will we do is, so we will run a loop, okay, for let's say prices, or let's say cost comma d, not d, okay. And ER array. So I'm showing you what will we get. Like we will be getting 7, 10, and 19 in cost, and the next element, that is 2, 1, and 3, okay, uh, inside D. So I'll show you once if it will be easier maybe. Um, okay, now let's compile it once. So you will be getting like the way I told you. So now see, we will be checking for the maximum, okay. So we need to find these multiplied with the price again. So if like the price is k, okay, so if cost multiplied the number of days, okay, is lesser equals than k, then what will we do is we will be creating a variable, say like the total number of stocks. So total stocks, okay, so total stocks. So we'll basically do more. So how many stocks am I buying? See, I'm buying 2 stocks, okay. Like basically I'll be buying, it has been said that the maximum number of stock which I can buy is the like num uh, it's the nth day basically, okay. So like sorry for, okay, so it basically means that if it is the 4th day you can buy 4 stocks, if it is 5th day like you can buy 5 stocks, okay. So it will be total costs will be basically the number of days, so it will be, it will increment this time number of days, okay. And then there's a different job we need to do. See, every time we are buying something the total price keeps on decreasing, so we need to keep a track of that. So we'll be subtracting this thing with what, with like the total cost. So what's the total cost? This is the total cost into number of days, because like if there are 2 stocks we are buying with 7 rupees each, so 2 into 7 is 40, so 14 rupees are gone from the total amount, okay. So this will be the thing. Else, now if this thing doesn't satisfy, so there is one thing we need to do is get out from the loop. Before getting out from the loop we need to make some changes in the total stocks. Now say the next like greatest, like we are sorting, so the next one will be greater obviously. So the next greatest, like if the amount, okay, remaining is say mm, 30, okay, and there is a stock which costs 11 rupees, so we can buy at least like minimum we can buy 1 stock, okay. So what will we do is we will be incrementing this cases, like this is a basic edge case which most of the programmers avoid, like forget about it, but we will be doing this, okay. So this will be basically the key, like if you see the value of key is changing, okay, with every loop it will be changing. So this will be key, then we went into division, so k divided by the price, so this will be cost. Okay. Say if the cost is 11 but the remaining like price we can invest is 3, so this will result in 0. That means we can buy no more stocks again. So yeah, we'll be breaking, and then after all the proceedings I'll just return this thing, like return the stocks. Okay. So we'll give a quick check to the program to see if we have done all the things which are necessary. So yeah, I guess we have. Mm, yeah, let's check it once. Mm, because I'm in B does it no. I'm so sorry. Yeah. Okay, and we need to do this thing. Comment it out. So yeah, this should. I'll be submitting the code. All right. So we have completed to this problem of the day, and thanks for watching, guys.